What's up guys, welcome back to another wild week in crypto. With consensus wrapping up and many of you just back from ETH Denver, it's been a packed few days of events and big announcements, so I hope you all had a great time. This week is even crazier because President Donald Trump just dropped a bombshell announcing a US crypto reserve. Plus, there's a ton of other major news shaking up the space, so let's get straight into it and let's roll the intro. Alright, let's go straight into the fast crazy news for this week. Donald Trump just announced that XRP, Solana, and Cardano will be part of a US strategic crypto reserve. At first, Bitcoin and Ethereum weren't mentioned, which caused some confusion, but Donald Trump later confirmed they would be included as well. He made the announcement on Truth Social, saying he wants to make the US the crypto capital of the world. The market reacted instantly. ADA shot up 63% in just 2 hours, while Solana and XRP jumped 23% and 32% respectively. Meanwhile, Bitcoin and Ethereum holders were caught off guard by the delay inclusion. But let's be real, this move raises some serious questions. Like, sure, the Trump administration is taking a completely different approach from Biden's, but from the looks of his picks, it's clear he's getting some really bad advice. I mean, why are XRP and ADA even on the list? Just because they are US based? If you're talking about a national crypto reserve, shouldn't we be looking at fundamentals? And it's not just me thinking this. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong said a US crypto reserve should probably just hold Bitcoin. Either way, this announcement will likely pump altcoins, and with the Fed expected to cut rates later this year, global liquidity is unlocking. China, by the way, has already kick-started another round of money printing, so things are about to get interesting. Alright, to keep the ball rolling, the White House is set to host its first ever crypto summit on 7th of March, bringing together top crypto founders, CEOs, investors, and the president's working group on digital assets. Trump himself will be hosting and giving remarks, with AI and crypto czar David Sachs chairing the event. This is a big shift from the administration, signaling a push for regulatory clarity and actual support for the industry after years of mixed signals. Now, if you don't know, David Sachs was appointed as the AI and crypto czar last December, and he has been pushing for a US Bitcoin reserve, stablecoin regulations, and SEC reforms to make crypto innovation easier. The White House even called Trump America's first crypto president, leaning into economic freedom and a clear regulatory framework. And with Bitcoin bouncing back and market sentiment at the strongest since 2022, this summit feels like a strategic move to boost confidence in the space. That said, not everyone is convinced. Some Bitcoiners think this is just another PR stunt, pointing to Trump's past crypto war and the whole meme coin circus that followed. Others argue that most cryptos are useless and that Bitcoin is the only real financial revolution. Either way, this summit is going to set the tone for the next phase of US crypto policy and possibly open the door for bigger institutional moves. Next major news that happened this week in crypto, the Ethereum Foundation just made its biggest leadership change in years. Aya Miyake is moving up to chair, and now we've got 2 new co-executive directors, Xiaowei Wang and Thomas Stenshak. Both are deep in the tech of Ethereum, and they are stepping in at a time where ETH is struggling and the community is desperate for strong leadership. So the big question is, will this actually push Ethereum forward, or is it just gonna add more drama to an already divided ecosystem? Now, Xiaowei Wang has been a key Ethereum researcher for years, working on sharding and the Beacon chain. She's played a major role in Ethereum's long-term roadmap and is super active in community building, especially in Taiwan. Then we've got Thomas Stenshak, a founder of Nevermind, a guy who's all about execution. He's worked on Ethereum's execution layer, MEV, and Starknet, basically making Nevermind one of the top Ethereum clients. But not everyone loves his decisions, like when he dropped historical data storage, which sparked some controversy. So what does this all mean for Ethereum? Well, Thomas is known for getting things done fast, while Xiao Wei brings deep research expertise. Even Ethereum dev team Baco says Thomas is one of the few people who can actually make big moves at the foundation. So will this save ETH? I really do hope so, speaking as an ETH holder. Next up, Pump.fun activity has taken a major hit, signaling that the meme coin madness might be coming to an end. On-chain analyst Darky pointed out that coin bonding is almost at zero, which is a clear sign that the hype is fading. Newman.eth from 227 Fund also noted a dramatic drop in graduating tokens from over 24,000 last month to just 186 on the day. And to top it off, weekly trading volume has dropped to levels not seen since September 2024. All signs pointing to less interest in fewer new token launches. Despite a brief rebound from the overall market, the meme coin sector is down more than 12% over the past month. Trump-themed tokens have suffered the most, with Trump down 52% and Melania down 62%. WIF and Fartcoin have also crashed alongside with Dogecoin and Pepe. So, have we already seen the top of meme coins? Comment down below and let us know. More updates from last week. The token swap from FX token to PundiAI officially took place with a 100-to-1 token supply reduction. FunctionX and FX token have now rebranded to PundiAI FX, only layer and a new PundiAI token. If you're holding FX on Ethereum, you can now swap it to PundiAI manually using the swap link swap.pundi.ai. For those holding FX on centralized exchanges, the swap will happen automatically, but it might take a little bit longer compared to self-custodian wallet. Now, if you want a full breakdown of what this means for the project, I'll definitely recommend checking this video right here. But to keep it simple, PundiAI is a platform where you can complete daily AI tasks and get rewarded. It's super simple. You log in, you see a bunch of images and tag them. For example, if a picture of a dog pops up, you label it as an animal and your score goes up. The more tasks you complete, the more you earn. As for rewards, they vary, but usually you'll be getting USDT, PundiAI, or past tokens. So if you're looking for a way to earn while contributing to AI training, this is something worth checking out. Alright, so that's it for today's video. Make sure to follow me on Twitter and Instagram for more regular updates. Stay safe out there, especially with your crypto. If you need a cold wallet, I recommend NGrave or Tangem. It really depends on how much you need to store. For larger amounts, my top choice is definitely NGrave. But if you're storing a smaller amount and still want top-tier security, especially after seeing how even major exchanges like Bybit can get hacked, then Tangem is a great option. You will find all the relevant links in the description box below. In the meanwhile, if you want to learn more about different cold wallet options, check out this video right here.